Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Flow. I'm happy you're here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English through a real-life conversation and story. Today's topic is my morning at school. School mornings are busy and exciting. We wake up, get ready, meet our friends, attend classes, and learn something new every day. Today, you will learn how to talk about your morning at school in simple English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. School vocabulary. Before we begin our story, let's learn some useful words. School. Repeat. School. Classroom. Repeat. Classroom. Teacher. Repeat. Teacher. Student. Repeat. Student. Backpack. Repeat. Backpack. Notebook. Repeat. Notebook. Homework. Repeat. Homework. Bell. Repeat. Bell. Lesson. Repeat. Lesson. Library. Repeat. Library. Excellent. Now let's use these words in simple sentences. I go to school every morning. Repeat. I go to school every morning. My teacher is very kind. Repeat. My teacher is very kind. I always bring my notebook. Repeat. I always bring my notebook. Very good. Talking about school. Now let's practice a simple conversation. Emma, what time do you go to school? Daniel, I usually leave home at 7:30. Emma, how do you go to school? Daniel, I go by bus. Emma, who do you sit with in class? Daniel, I sit next to my best friend. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. I enjoy going to school. Pause. I enjoy going to school. I learn new things every day. Pause. I learn new things every day. My teachers help me learn. Pause. My teachers help me learn. School is an important place. Pause. School is an important place. Excellent. My school morning. Now let's continue. Friend, what do you do when you arrive at school? Emma, I say hello to my friends and teachers. Friend, what do you do before class starts? Emma, I put my backpack on my desk and prepare my books. Friend, are you usually early? Emma, yes. I like arriving a few minutes early. Wonderful. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Olivia arrives at school at 7:45 every morning. She walks into her classroom with a smile. First, she greets her teacher and classmates. Then she takes out her notebook and pencil case. Before the first lesson begins, she reviews yesterday's homework. When the school bell rings, everyone is ready to learn. Now answer these questions. What time does Olivia arrive at school? At 7:45. Who does she greet? Her teacher and classmates. What does she take out? Her notebook and pencil case. What happens when the bell rings? The lesson begins. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I arrive at school early. I greet my teacher. I prepare my books. I enjoy learning. Every school day is a new opportunity. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about your school routine, use the present simple tense. For example, I go to school. I study English. I meet my friends. I do my homework. The present simple is used for routines and daily habits. Practice it every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I enjoy my school mornings. I learn something new every day. I respect my teachers. I like studying with my classmates. School helps me build a bright future. Fantastic work. Today, you learned useful school vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about your morning at school in English. In Part 2, we will learn how to talk about classroom activities, ask and answer questions, work with classmates, and continue improving your English through real-life conversations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 2. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 1, we learned useful school vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about arriving at school. Today, we will continue learning English through real-life conversations. You will learn how to talk about classroom activities, asking questions, working with classmates, and participating in lessons. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. In the classroom. Every morning, students get ready to learn. Listen carefully. I open my notebook before class. Repeat. I open my notebook before class. I listen carefully to my teacher. Repeat. I listen carefully to my teacher. I answer questions in class. Repeat. I answer questions in class. I enjoy learning new lessons. Repeat. I enjoy learning new lessons. Excellent. Conversation in class. Emma. What is your first class today? Daniel. My first class is English. Emma. Do you enjoy English lessons? Daniel. Yes. I like learning new words and practicing conversations. Emma. Does your teacher ask questions? Daniel. Yes. Everyone has a chance to answer. Wonderful. Practice time. Repeat after me. I listen carefully. Pause. I listen carefully. I ask questions. Pause. I ask questions. I enjoy my classes. Pause. I enjoy my classes. I learn something new every day. Pause. I learn something new every day. Very good. Working with classmates. Friend. Do you work with your classmates? Emma. Yes. Sometimes we work in pairs. Friend. What do you do together? Emma. We read short stories, answer questions, and practice speaking English. Friend. Do you enjoy group activities? Emma. Yes. They help me learn and make new friends. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Ryan enjoys his morning classes. His teacher begins each lesson with a friendly greeting. Then the students open their books and listen carefully. During the lesson, Ryan answers questions and writes important notes in his notebook. Later, the class works together on a short English conversation. Everyone helps each other, and the classroom is full of smiles and positive energy. Now answer these questions. How does Ryan's teacher begin the lesson? With a friendly greeting. What does Ryan write in his notebook? Important notes. What does the class practice together? A short English conversation. How is the classroom atmosphere? It is full of smiles and positive energy. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I enjoy my English class. I work well with my classmates. I answer the teacher's questions. I write notes in my notebook. Learning English is fun. Very good. English learning tip. Don't be afraid to speak English in class. Even if you make small mistakes, you're still learning. Practice simple sentences like, "May I ask a question? Can you repeat that, please? I don't understand. Could you help me?" These expressions are useful in every classroom. Practice them often. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I enjoy learning every morning. I listen carefully in class. I practice English every day. My classmates help me learn. Every lesson makes me better. Fantastic work. Today, you learned how to talk about classroom activities, work with classmates, and participate in lessons using simple English. In Part 3, we will practice longer conversations, talk about break time, school friendships, favorite subjects, and improve your listening and speaking skills through real-life situations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 3. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 2, we learned how to talk about classroom activities, ask questions, work with classmates, and participate in lessons. Today, we will continue with longer conversations. You will learn how to talk about break time, school friendships, favorite subjects, and your morning experiences at school. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin. Break time at school. Students enjoy taking a short break between lessons. Listen to this conversation. Emma. What do you usually do during break time? Daniel. I usually talk with my friends and eat a snack. Emma. Do you play games? Daniel. Yes. Sometimes we play football in the playground. Emma. That sounds fun. Daniel. It is my favorite part of the morning. Excellent. Now repeat. I enjoy break time. Pause. I enjoy break time. I talk with my friends. Pause. I talk with my friends. We play together. Pause. We play together. Very good. My favorite subject. Friend. What is your favorite subject? Emma. My favorite subject is English. Friend. Why do you like English? Emma. Because I enjoy learning new words and speaking with my classmates. Friend. Do you study English every day? Emma. Yes. I practice reading, listening, and speaking every day. Wonderful. Helping friends. Daniel. Do you help your classmates? Emma. Yes. If someone does not understand a lesson, I try to help. Daniel. Do your classmates help you too? Emma. Of course. We learn better when we work together. Daniel. That is true. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Emily enjoys every morning at school. After her first lesson, the students have a short break. Emily sits with her friends in the schoolyard. They eat sandwiches, drink juice, and talk about their favorite subjects. After the break, they return to the classroom for a science lesson. Emily listens carefully, answers the teacher's questions, and writes notes in her notebook. She feels happy because she enjoys learning something new every day. Now answer these questions. Where does Emily sit during break time? She sits with her friends in the schoolyard. What do they eat and drink? They eat sandwiches and drink juice. What lesson do they have after the break? A science lesson. Why does Emily feel happy? Because she enjoys learning something new every day. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I enjoy spending time with my friends. Break time is fun. English is my favorite subject. I always help my classmates. School is a wonderful place to learn. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about school, explain why you like something. For example, I like English because it is interesting. I like science because I enjoy experiments. I like school because I learn new things. I like my classmates because they are kind. Using because makes your English more natural and complete. Practice this every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I enjoy learning with my friends. My teachers help me every day. I always do my best in class. School gives me many opportunities to learn. Every morning at school is special. Fantastic work. Today you practice talking about break time, favorite subjects, school friendships, and working together using natural English. In Part 4, we will review everything with one complete story about a school morning, practice more listening, and finish with a speaking challenge to help you confidently talk about your own morning at school in English. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 4. Congratulations! You have reached the final part of today's English listening practice. Today, you learned useful vocabulary, practiced real-life conversations, and improved your English through a simple story about a school morning. Now, let's review everything with one complete story. Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Then repeat the important expressions with me. Let's begin. My morning at school. Hello. My name is Sophia. Today, I would like to tell you about my morning at school. Every school day begins with a fresh start. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. After washing my face and brushing my teeth, I get dressed in my school uniform. Then I eat breakfast with my family. Before leaving home, I check my backpack to make sure I have my books, notebooks, lunchbox, and water bottle. I leave home at 7:30 and walk to the bus stop. When I arrive at school, I meet my friends near the school gate. We smile, greet each other, and talk about our plans for the day. After that, we walk to our classroom together. I always arrive a few minutes early because I like to prepare before the lesson begins. I put my backpack on my chair, take out my notebook, pencil case, and English book. When my teacher enters the classroom, everyone stands up and says, "Good morning, teacher." Our teacher smiles and welcomes us warmly. The first lesson is English. I enjoy English because I like learning new words and speaking with my classmates. During the lesson, I listen carefully, answer questions, and write important notes in my notebook. Sometimes we read short stories. Sometimes we practice conversations in pairs. I enjoy these activities because they help me become more confident. After the first lesson, the school bell rings for break time. My friends and I go to the playground. We eat our snacks, drink water, and talk together. Sometimes we play football. Sometimes we simply sit under a tree and laugh together. Break time always makes the morning more enjoyable. Soon, the bell rings again, and we return to our classroom. The next lesson begins. I continue listening carefully and trying my best. If I do not understand something, I politely ask my teacher for help. My teacher is always patient and kind. At the end of the morning, I feel proud because I have learned something new. Every school day gives me new knowledge, new experiences, and happy memories with my friends. I believe that every lesson brings me one step closer to achieving my dreams. That is why I always enjoy my mornings at school. Listening questions. Now answer these questions. What time does Sophia wake up? She wakes up at 6:30. What does she check before leaving home? She checks her backpack. Who does she meet at school? She meets her friends. What is her favorite subject? English. Why does Sophia enjoy school? Because she learns new things, spends time with her friends, and moves closer to her dreams. Excellent work. Everyday English practice. Now repeat these useful sentences. I enjoy going to school every morning. I greet my teachers and classmates. I listen carefully in class. I enjoy learning English. School helps me achieve my goals. Fantastic. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. What time do you arrive at school? How do you travel to school? What is your favorite subject? What do you do during break time? Why do you enjoy school? Take your time. Speak slowly. Use complete sentences. The more you practice speaking, the more confident your English will become. English learning tip. When talking about school, use polite expressions. For example, good morning. May I come in? May I ask a question? Thank you. Excuse me. These expressions help you communicate politely and naturally in English. Practice them every day. Final review. Today you learned how to talk about your morning at school, describe classroom activities, talk about your teachers and classmates, discuss break time and favorite subjects, use the present simple tense naturally, improve your English listening and speaking skills. Excellent work. You are improving your English step by step. Thank you so much for learning with Daily English Flow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you in our next English listening practice. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and never stop improving your English. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.